Hello guys, in today's video, you will learn what are the best things to buy using your Discord orbs. If you have been earning orbs from Quest and aren't sure what's actually worth spending them on, then this guide will help you make the most out of them. First, you can actually spend your orbs on a Nitro credits first. You can click on shop, scroll down, and you will see over here 3-day Nitro credit. These give you temporary Nitro perks like higher upload limits, better streaming quality, and access to custom emojis without needing a paid subscription. So this is actually very useful if you just want to try the Nitro subscription without paying anything at all and see if it's actually something for you. Then the second, you can actually use orbs for exclusive profile cosmetics. Click over here, orbs exclusives. These items can be only purchased using orbs and aren't available with regular currency. They include limited profile badges, animated profile effects, and special decorations that help your profile stand out. You can also use orbs on regular profile cosmetics such as avatar decorations, profile effects, and nameplates from the main shop. Just look for items marked with the orb icon, which means they can be bought using orbs instead of real money. So, for example, this, make sure they have these like for 100 orb credits on them, 8 to 100. And this is an indicator that they can only be purchased using the Discord orbs. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.